Experimenting rusting and crystallization. We must have observed the gates of the old park. Even the grills in our houses get rust as they get older. What is this called? This is called corrosion or rusting of iron. Let's understand the corrosion process with an experiment. Take 3 test tubes and dip a nail in all the 3 test tubes. Fill each with tap water, distilled water and oil, calcium chloride. Then we can observe that the nail dipped in tap water gets rust. So, the process of rusting can be accompanied only in the presence of water and oxygen. This can be represented with the help of a chemical equation. Iron reacts with oxygen and water to form iron oxide that causes rusting. The presence of both oxygen and water or water vapor is essential for rusting. When the moisture is more in the atmosphere, the rate of rusting becomes faster. But it is necessary to prevent rusting as we have to use the iron articles for a long period. How to prevent rusting? Rusting can be prevented by applying a coat of paint or grease. Painting or greasing should be done regularly to prevent rusting. Another way to prevent rusting is to deposit a layer of a metal like chromium or zinc or iron. The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization of iron. The iron pipes we use in our homes are usually galvanized to prevent rusting. Ships are made of iron. 1/3 part of the ship remains underwater. The salt water present in the sea makes the process of rust formation in ships faster. Do you know that ships suffer a lot of damage from rusting in spite of painting? Have you ever seen preparing salt crystals near the coast? The crystals obtained in this manner are not pure crystal. Pure crystals can be obtained by the process known as crystallization. Crystallization is an example of physical change. Let's understand the process of crystallization with an experiment. Take a beaker filled with boiling water and add salt to it. Add salt in small steps and keep dissolving until all the salt gets dissolved in water. Add salt until a condition where no salt can be added to the water. Keep the solution undisturbed for a few weeks. You can see the salt crystals formed in the beaker. This process is called as crystallization. Let's perform another experiment to understand crystallization. Take a cup of water and add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Boil the water. Then add copper sulfate powder slowly and stir continuously. Add more copper sulfate powder till no more powder can be dissolved. Filter the copper sulfate solution. Let the solution cool. Wait for few days. Observe the beaker. We can see the blue crystals of copper sulfate. This is the pure copper sulfate crystals obtained after crystallization. So now we have learned how to prevent rusting or corrosion and what is crystallization. Let's recall what we have learned so far.